Hello dear children, welcome blast from the past. Today we'll discuss a question from system of equations, that is from linear equations. Here there's only two equations and two variables. Very simple question. It is asked for JEE Advanced. ax plus 2y equals lambda, 3x minus 2y equals mu. Which of the following statements are correct? It is multiple correct answer type. You have a result like this. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. It's one equation. There are only two variables, x and y. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. You have a result like this. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All the three things are equal, we get infinite solutions. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, it is no solution. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, unique solution. These three things you have to learn by heart. For three variable system also, you can convert that into two variable system and do like this. Okay, but these three things are the criteria for non-homogeneous system in two variables. Now the questions start like this. A by 3 is equal to minus 1 equals lambda by mu. If all the three things are equal, what you can say? It will be infinite solutions. If this is equal, A is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 3. And lambda by mu is equal to minus 1 means lambda plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, this is correct. It will have infinite solutions. This is a case for infinite solutions. Right? Infinite solutions. Therefore, C is the answer. C is correct. Now, if A by 3 is not equal to minus 1, if A by 3 is not equal to minus 1, what happens? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, right? In that case, it will be unique. Whatever be the value of lambda and mu, if this happens, A by 3 is not equal to minus 1, that is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, unique. Okay, if A is not equal to minus 3, for all values of lambda and mu, this is unique solution. But this is also correct. B is also correct. Now, A is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 3. The system has infinite solution. No, because A is equal to minus 3 as well as lambda plus mu, lambda by mu minus 1. Then only it will have infinite solution. Therefore, this is wrong. Now, what is D? Lambda plus mu not equal to 0. Lambda plus mu not equal to 0 means minus 1 is not equal to lambda plus mu. The system have no solution when A equals 3. If A is equal to 3, this is not equal. Therefore, it will be having unique solution. But therefore, this is also not the answer. Lambda not equal to mu and A is equal to minus 3, then it has infinite solutions. Okay. Lambda, okay. Therefore, the answer is B and C are the answers. Okay. I think this is a very simple question. Most probably asked for, this concept will get repeated for JEE Advanced question also. Therefore, JEE Advanced paper also. Therefore, please go through this linear system of equations using this concept. Okay, thank you.